Hi guys, welcome back. Shirakis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see what is pipe. So pipe are also used for formatting data, transform data uh, in our project. So let's start with the basic definition of pipe. Pipe are a simple function you can use in template expression to accept an input value and return a transform value, right? So it's a very simple way how we can use pipe. Angular provide a build pipe like uppercase, lowercase, currency pipe, percent pipe, and date pipe. So these are the types of build pipe. And if I talk about how many types of pipe in Angular, so there are two types of pipe. First is stageless and second is stageful. And one thing you can create a custom pipe you can in our project by using a pipe directive. So in this video we will see a build pipe like uppercase how we can use this build pipe. So let move on IDE. So first of all let's create one array. So suppose that let's create a product array, and inside this array I will just create object of this array. Let's say product name is, let's say, laptop, right? Laptop. And I will write here price of this product name, product 1 2 3. You can write any price, let's say 17,000. And quality so say good. Let's copy this object, and again I will paste inside this array, and again I will paste. Let me change this name, product name. Just like a mobile, and you can write any product name. Let's say keyboard, right? You can write any product name. Say smartphone. Let me change this price of this product name. Let's just um, good, better, and you can write here any name. And this array I will use inside a template file, and after that I will apply some pipe name. So first of all let's create a table, and inside this table I will use here class of this table, and I will use a table head, use tr, and data table data. Let's say product name, right? First is product name, and I will copy this. Say product price. Second is product price, and third is product quality. Let me format this name, product name, and product price and product quality. Let's create body of this table. Inside this body I'll just use tr, and inside this values. After that I will use an ng4 directive for iterate of this data, right? So let's use ng4, and let's use late variable and write here product of product. So it will iterate of data from this array, and after that I will use string interpolation and write here product dot name of product, right? It's a very simple way we can use for loop, and product price, and last is product quality, right? So I will save this file. Let's move on user interface. Now here you can see data is displaying. So, and most important thing here, I want to apply some pipe name, right? So I want to display this product name in uppercase, right? So I want to we can use uppercase pipe, right? Now I will save this file. Now again here you can see the product name is displaying in uppercase, right? So this is a example, first example of pipe, and you can use any, let's say, title case. So in this case, data will display, first is uppercase and another is small case like capital and small. And after that you can use another pipe name, let's say currency, because Angular provide currency pipeline, pipe name currency, right? I will save this. Now here you can see the data is the product of price is displaying in currency dollar sign, right? And second thing, you can use any, let's say, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. You can also use date, JavaScript function, let's say date. Suppose that I want to display today's date. So let me create one properties. Inside this property I will just use a date function, date now, and after that I will use this properties inside, outside this table. Let's say just use h1 tag, and after that here I will use date. Now I will save this file. So first of all I will save T- ts file. Now let's move on user interface. So you cannot read this date, but now Angular provide another pipe name. Let's say you can use date, right? After that now here you can see the date is displaying today's date. You can use you can display full date, today's full date. You can write here simply full date, right? Full date, date D is also in capital. Here you can see that is data is displaying. So this is a very simple way how we can use uh, pipe in Angular. You can use for better looking background color, let's say orange, right? So this is a very simple way how we can use pipe. You can use uppercase, lowercase. These are the build pipe. You can create custom pipe with the help of uh, pipe directive. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, so please put on my comment box. Thank you so much.